Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs. You guys know what it is. It is week number 3, where you guys know it is stash to wardrobe, where we don't just sew a pattern, we earn the freaking hanger. And you guys know this week it's all about sewing the pattern up so we can get ready to style it and do a verdict and give you guys a review this week as well. Now, in this video, I am going to be sewing it up. And then in the next video this week, we are not only styling it 2 ways, I am also gonna give you a review and, of course, my verdict of this top. Now, the pattern that I am using for reference, once again, is Simplicity 9644. It's right here, but if you have missed any of the videos where I have definitely showed you guys the pattern, I have also cut it out. Now, this one is gonna be sewing it together, and then I'm gonna have the reveal and the styling of how I styled it 2 ways is coming up on the channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and sew it all together, and you guys get to see the fabric that I choose. Yep, y'all know it's gonna be a knit fabric for sure. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it now. Let's go.
Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of sun. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me, yeah. Big time, big time, big time, big time. from me must be out your mind. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pop. Just running over with the dollar signs. Try and take it from me. Big time. I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Oh, I'm big time, lot of shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pop. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me, from me, from me, from me. Big time, number 9. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Oh, I'm big time, lot of shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pop. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me, take it from me.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Tippy top. Wait. Hold up, Q. Yeah. Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the lion's den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they maiden, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She look me in the eyes and tell me how much she loving on my confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time, saying I can't get better, I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right. Look, I think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right. Confidence, yeah, confidence, that's me, hold up, yeah, I'm sorry if I stutter, yeah, my brain move a little faster than others, yeah, I even keep a close eye on my brothers, cause sometimes it's your blood that turn into blood suckers, yeah, and I'm on a big mission, my whole team got a plate up in the kitchen, yeah, I'm talking everything, I make all the fixings, yeah, they come a long way from where they come up missing, I blame it on my confidence, yeah, promise I'm really this astonishing, and yeah, you're now viewing the greatest of all time, no need for thank yous, the pleasure is all mine, that's my confidence, yeah, that's right, no downplaying my accomplishments, you call me arrogant, I take it as a compliment, I got that confidence, come on now.
Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Yeah, I'm sorry for the wait, didn't think I'd come up, y'all just need a little faith. I've been patient, just waiting on the river with an ace. Gotta move real careful, we coming surveying the place. I touched down in your city, that's a rival. Y'all got one thing on your mind, it's survival. But if you wanna take a shot at the title, call the medic, we checking your vitals. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime.
All right, you guys, so there you have it. That is the complete cutout and sew together for this top of Simplicity 9644. So stay tuned. Next video coming up is me styling this top 2 ways. So I am excited because I am actually going to be taking pictures tomorrow in this top, and I'm going to wear it to work too. Yes, I am. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys already know what to do. Give your girls a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Stay tuned for my next video up. Actually, stay tuned for the live that's going down this Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in that video, I'm going to continuously sew up the first part of the core capsule, which is definitely sewing up the Vicky Sew Patterns, the Ruth short. So stay tuned for that as well. Until next time, keep going, keep sewing, and definitely keep growing. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.